So, the South African food safari is still on. I'm Megha Joshi and Megzi Pop for you. Today we're going to make something using baked beans, carrots, some other veggies as well and spices. We are going to make the chakalaka, which is eaten a lot of times with pap, putu, bread. It's up to the person who wants to eat it. So, before we get started, please don't forget to click on the bell icon to get regular updates of my recipes. So before we start making our chakalaka, you know what to do. Please take a screenshot of the ingredients on your screen so that you could refer to it later on. Okay, so let's start. We're going to put some oil. We are going to put some onions. Let it get golden brown. I'm just going to give it a mix. Can you see? My handmade wooden spatula with the zebra print on it. So basically the richness in South Africa is a lot of the minerals, of course, like your sugar cane, wheat, gold, diamonds, because the mines are all there. But along with that, there is this beautiful handcrafted art, whether it's with your spatulas, bowls, anything wooden, carvings, and also a lot of beaded jewelry, which is extremely interesting. And it's mostly done by all the Africans, the local Africans. So our onions are getting sauteed. I'm just going to add the garlic and ginger to it. Here goes in my garlic and my ginger. I'll give it a mix. Please take note that most of these foods that I am making has a lot of Indian touch to it. A lot. And that will tell you that South Africans love spicy food too. I'm just going to add the chopped chilies, fresh thyme. That just gives a nice flavor to our chakalaka. Okay, and then we'll add one stick to it, just like this. Alright. I'm going to give it a mix once again. And now we're going to add our red and yellow bell peppers. Just makes our food so much more colorful and yummy, of course. And here goes our, and we're going to give it a nice mix. And we're going to let it cook for a bit. Alright. You see the shredded carrot? We can put that a little later because it will take less time to cook. Now that it's cooked, we're going to add our carrots. And here goes in our colorful, shredded, fresh carrots. And we're going to give it a nice mix. Let this get cooked properly now. Okay. Now, I'm going to add the salt to taste. Okay. Then I'm going to add some black pepper powder. And we are going to add some curry powder. Curry powder is a spice that's used quite often in South Africa. So here goes in our curry powder. I'm going to mix it once again. It is actually smelling divine. So basically, chakalaka is eaten usually with pap or mealie meal or even bread. So basically, pap is made with corn flour or coarse corn flour actually, water, salt and some mas, which is dahi curd, but South Africans call it mas. So that and chakalaka, and the people who eat some non-veg, they have a strip of chicken or maybe any meat along to go with it. Okay, now time for our baked beans. So let's just add all of our baked beans into this mixture. We will give it a nice mix. This is smelling divine. I usually just like to put this on a buttered bread or toasted bread and have it, and it's just amazing. Are almost done with our chakalaka. Our chakalaka is now ready. I'm just going to plate it and then, of course, taste it. So, our chakalaka is ready. If you guys have enjoyed my recipe today, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to India Food Network. But before I go, I gotta do what I gotta do, and that is to taste what I've made. I'm having it with some toast. I just need a spoon, and here goes.